canola and a real fruit. Nature's always been 100% natural, 100% delicious.
This is Leanne. Dating games. She wants to meet someone she can be herself with. Harmony. Because people always want something more meaningful. Just like smarter. Review match is free at eHarmony.
Is here. High in Mexico. Agave edging rum. Bartenders say it's best in the house. Judges say it's best in the world. It's best. Tequila Island. Voted world's best tequila.
Do you know how many Cheerios and oats that can go lower than the this year? Sure does. Wow. The honey makes it taste so... What's the rest?
He's a guy who